Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video here on Talk Help Guys. So for today, I'm going to show you how you can put a link on a Wix template, website template, or on a Wix webpage or whatever it is you're doing at Wix. So very easy. Let's use this template as an example. So let's say that this will be our template and we want to put a link on it, whatever type of link we want to put into. So there we go. So just click on this one, let's say here on revert, double click it, double left click it, and then this appears, text settings. Now from here, what you want to do is on this panel, go to link, and now you can attach whatever link you want. You can add a page link, a web address, section or anchor, top, bottom, or page, a document, an email, phone number, lightbox. So whatever you want to link the web page to, you can do it by doing that step. So yeah, just click on an item. Let's say here, shop now, double click it, double click this. Actually, it has to be on a text. Double click this, and then just click on the link. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do hit, of course, the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Talk Help Guy.